Hey, good evening everyone. This is a video for this Winner's Choice 2-ounce silver coin. Raz, we are live. 753, 753. List here, 10 entries, rich on the top and bottom. We need 2 dice, 5 or higher. We got 11 times, 753. Let's begin. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gone 10 times. We got rich on the top. Must go 11. Good luck coming your way at 753. 753. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this Winner's Choice. Congratulations goes to Spot 3, Ed. Congratulations, Ed. Send me a PM with your shipping information and your choice, and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 753. 753. Congratulations, Ed. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Have a good evening.